Most people think a hurricane is just a big cloud bringing some heavy rain. But look at Hurricane Lee back in 2023. In just 24 hours, it mutated from a weak Category 1 into a Category 5 monster, with winds exploding by over 80 miles per hour. That is what we call rapid intensification, a concept that is redefining everything we thought we knew about nature. So, what actually turns a cluster of clouds into a city-destroying nightmare? The answer is not just heat. There is a secret atmospheric recipe happening beneath those clouds. Welcome to episode 3 of our storm series. Today, we decode how tropical cyclones are born and why temperature is only half the story. To bake a tropical cyclone, Mother Nature needs 3 core ingredients. First, the ocean has to be hot, at least 26 degrees Celsius. This warm water acts as high-octane fuel, creating a massive updraft of moist air that forms towering storm clouds. But heat alone only gives you scattered thunderstorms. To lock them together, we need the second ingredient, the Earth's rotation. This rotation generates the spin that forces the system to revolve around a low-pressure center called the eye. Then comes the most overlooked factor, light wind shear. Think of wind shear as an atmospheric guillotine. If winds at high altitudes are too strong, they will literally rip the storm apart before it can organize. Only when those upper-level winds are calm can the beast grow into a full-blown hurricane. A tropical cyclone is basically a giant heat engine. Once those spinning winds hit 118 kilometers per hour, it officially becomes a tropical cyclone. Inside is the eye, a zone of eerie calm, but just outside is the Eyewall, the ring of death, where you find the fastest winds and heaviest rain. Even more dramatic is the Fujiwara effect. This happens when 2 cyclones get too close and begin a death dance, swirling around one another until the larger storm devours the smaller one. This does not always make the storm stronger, but it makes its path completely unpredictable, turning every forecast into a high-stakes guessing game. As we speak, nature is already on the move across the globe. In the United States, we are in the heart of a violent tornado season. Meteorologists are warning of strong to intense tornadoes across the Central Plains, where the danger zone is shifting toward more populated areas. Recent outbreaks have already proven the Reaper is active. In Australia, the tropical cyclone season has not vanished. While no major cyclones are active, warmer waters are fueling heavy rainfall across various regions. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, the weather is pulling a dramatic U-turn. After a cool start to May, temperatures are expected to hit 30 degrees Celsius in the southeast as warm air masses move in. Data shows that major cyclones have increased by about 10% every decade since the late 80s. As our oceans continue to warm, the storms of the future will be wetter, stronger, and slower, giving them more time to demolish everything in their path. We cannot stop the storm, but through science and early warnings, we can be ready. Thanks for spending your time with us today. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we will see you in the next deep dive. If you missed our episode on why Tornado Alley is moving, click the video on your screen now. You won't believe where the next hotspot is.